Hey traders, if you were watching gold chart this week, I guess you were impressed how crazy it was. Market maker was playing with our nerves, and it was very hard to make any decent prediction on gold this week. The market was so slow, and in such kind of a situation, the best option for us is to stay away from that. In this video, we'll discuss what to expect from gold next week. I will show you a very important thing that you may missed, and we will discuss the breakouts and types of breakouts and why sometimes breakout is a very weak trading signal. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave a lovely comment. Let's start. Hey guys, gold chart, daily chart, and here we have this major falling parallel channel that we discussed in previous video. And the main problem right now with this channel, there are very big debates among traders concerning the breakout of this channel. Some traders say that the market right now is trading beyond the range of the channel. Yes, the prices right now went beyond that, and for that reason it is a strong bullish signal, and for that reason they started to buy, and right now they expect a strong bullish continuation to higher structure levels. Some other traders say, however, that it can be a false breakout, and for now they are quite skeptical about further bullish continuation because of the current weakness of the market. And the point is that if you trade channels, if you trade trend lines, especially if you are a breakout trader, it is very important for you to have rules, strict rules for dealing with such kind of a situation, because you will face the situation like that many times. And in the past, when I was learning trading, this kind of situation for me was just so painful. I just didn't know what to do. I always was looking for some opinions, but at the end of the day, it is very important for you to have a solution. So let me give you my judgment on that, and I hope that you will get what I am trying to say right here. Hey guys, please give me a follow in my social networks. I have a Telegram channel where I post daily forecast and analysis. I have Instagram where I post a lot of educational materials and exclusive signals in stories. Please check that. All the links in the description below. I will be happy to see you in my social networks. Let's continue. So there are two main reasons why the market violates this structure. The first reason are the news. At some moment, market participants see some important news announcement, and because of that, buying or selling volumes accumulate, and we see very strong candles, and the market breaks the structure. In the situation like that, we see most of the time high momentum bullish or bearish candle, and we see a consequent very strong breakout of structure. And with such kind of a breakout, it is very easy to make the consequent forecast, because once we see the reaction like that, most likely then the price will drop. But sometimes there is another reason. Sometimes the market violates the support of the channel, the trend line, because of its current weakness. Yes, the market just starts coiling on a random horizontal structure. Yes, it goes beyond the range of the channel. It violates the trend line, but it still remains trading within a very narrow trading range. It still respects some horizontal structure, and we don't see any strong buying or selling volumes. The market is just stuck. There's just no trading volumes at all, because market participants are waiting for some important news. And in such kind of a situation, there is a high chance to be caught by a false breakout. Then market participants see some bullish news, and the market returns back within the boundaries of the channel. So now let's return back to gold, and let's check what is the breakout reason there. So I guess you already know the answer. Here on gold, once the market reached the resistance of the channel, look what happened. The market started to consolidate. We started to trade in a very narrow trading range. The market became very weak, and for us definitely it is the signal that the market are waiting for some important news. And of course, such a violation of the resistance of the channel is not a buying signal for us. Yes, for us, it is the signal to wait even more. It is the signal for us to look for the additional confirmation, to look for some volatility. We right now, what we're looking for, we are looking for the strong buying or selling volumes. We want to see what market maker wants to do next. We want to see the accumulation of trading volumes. We want to see some big player opening a trading position, and and we want to see a strong candle to the upside or to the downside. And for now, unfortunately, we don't see that. Moreover, right here, there is a very common indecision pattern. Let me show you. I guess you see that already. And here we have our classic indecision candlestick pattern formation, the inside bar. So look what we have right here. Pay attention to this wick right here and to this wick. What is important for us to realize is that it is the widest candle so far. You can see that this candle right here is quite wide, and based on the recent price fluctuations, here we had just the widest trading range. And what happens after that? If we underline the boundaries of this candle, yes, if we draw the horizontal lines based on the wicks of this candle, you can see that currently the market is trading within the range of this candle. So we call this candle the mother's bar, and all the consequent candles, they are just trading inside. And what do we know about this pattern? We know that to clarify the future direction of the market, we need the breakout of the range of this inside bar, of this mother's bar, yes. And moreover, we need the candle close, yes. We either need the daily candle close below the range, yes, or we need the daily candle close above the range, and only then the future midterm direction of gold will be clarified. But also remember that there we have our resistance of our major channel, and it adds right here the additional confusion, yes. So even though if we break the range of this inside bar, then we will stuck on the support on the broken resistance of our major channel. So what to do right here? In such kind of a situation, if you trade swings, for you the best option right now is to stay away. We see so much confusion right here. It is so hard to short it wisely from a current perspective. So the only option for you is to look for buying opportunities at the moment. Yes, to wait for the bullish violation of the range of this mother's bar, and then try to catch a strong bullish wave. And who is making big money on this slow market movement? The scalpers. For scalpers, such kind of indecision movement it is just the golden mine. For intraday traders who trade on 15 minutes, on 5 minutes short, it is just the golden mine, and for them, they just simply buy from the support of this range, they sell from the resistance of this narrow range, and they make huge profits inside. So, and for us, if we're looking for the swing moves, unfortunately here we just smoke and wait for the breakouts again. Hey traders, so the point that I'm trying to make is that the best option for you in such kind of a situation is not to trade at all. Realize that being a trader, you shouldn't always trade. It doesn't mean that if you want to trade full time that you should trade just each and every minute. No. Your task is to find the best trading opportunities, the trading setups where you are confident. Yes, and here with this analysis on gold, I'm trying to show you that it is very hard to be confident in bullish movement, in bearish movement because of this indecision. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a follow in my social networks. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much, traders.